Honor has just conquered the first place in the DXOMARK camera ranking with its much-announced Honor Magic 6 Pro model. In this case, as you may recall, the DXOMARK ranking is almost always dominated by Huawei. Recently, OPPO with its Find X7 Ultra model had tied the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus for the top spot. But now that they have evaluated the Honor Magic 6 Pro, it seems to have scored better on a number of things. Its overall score is 158 points, having 160 points in the photographic section. Its best parameter being color rendering and its weakest parameter being the artifacts that are usually generated almost in all cellular cameras. But specifically, the bokeh section has been the point where this device has the highest score of all cell phones, reaching 85 points. Similarly, in the ultra-wide camera, it has the highest score of all, and also in the color representation of video recording. So it seems that both in photography and video, the most remarkable point of this device is the good color representation it has, which is something very difficult to achieve. As other positive points highlighted by DXOMARK after testing this smartphone, they point out that it has excellent image quality for all types of photography, especially indoors. Excellent for taking portraits of family and friends with fast and accurate focus and good skin tone reproduction. Portraits with good, very natural segmentation that makes the subject stand out. Maximum zoom performance, especially when shooting ultra-wide shots with highly detailed images at most zoom ranges. Smooth overall experience when shooting outdoor video in bright light. Excellent all-round viewing performance in all use cases. Good display motion handling in its class. Excellent rendering for low-light HDR videos. Excellent recording and powerful playback for all use cases. Best-in-class audio zoom and wind noise performance. Excellent battery life with a battery life of over 3.5 days with moderate use. Although, as you will notice, in this case, they are also considering things like battery and display, and not necessarily all with respect to the camera, since they also point out as one of its advantages the fact that it charges very fast. But in its cons, specifically talking about the camera, they point out that we will find some instabilities when taking videos, particularly in low light and with autofocus. Also, an immediate color shift when viewing on-screen content at a different angle. Noticeable distortion in audio playback and slight distortion in noisy concert recordings. Also, inconsistent stabilization of the front camera when taking videos. It seems to really have very few disadvantages, but this has been DXOMARK's review. Remember that we hope soon to have this device in our hands so we can analyze it ourselves and give you our opinion. Since in a matter of photography, there are some things that can change depending on the point of view of each person and other things that are completely objective. So I will let you know my opinion when I have it in my hands. For now, it's worth noting that DXOMARK seems to have the Honor Magic Pro spoiled because they have given it first place in the camera ranking, first place in the screen ranking, second place in the audio ranking, first place in the battery ranking, and first place in the selfie ranking. So basically for DXOMARK, the Honor Magic Pro is the best device at the moment, although they are not considering other sections that I personally also usually consider, like software or ecosystem and other things. So let's wait until I can personally review it.